Fixing boot errors and crashes in virtual machines. Virtual machines provide flexibility for running multiple operating systems, but they can sometimes experience boot errors and crashes. These issues can be caused by misconfigured settings, corrupted virtual disks, missing boot files, or hardware compatibility problems. Understanding the root causes and solutions can help restore VM functionality quickly. VM stuck on black screen or fails to boot. A VM may freeze on a black screen due to incorrect boot order, missing bootloader files, or insufficient resources. To fix this, check the boot order settings in the VM, ensure the virtual disk is properly attached, and run recovery tools such as Windows BootRec or Linux FSCK to repair disk errors. VM crashes on startup or during use. Frequent crashes may indicate hardware virtualization is disabled in BIOS, corrupt configuration files, or software conflicts. Enabling VTX or AMD-V in BIOS, reducing background processes, and running safe mode inside the VM can help stabilize performance. VM displays no bootable device error. This error occurs when the VM cannot find an installed operating system. Checking the boot sequence, reattaching the virtual disk, and running disk repair commands can resolve the issue. Virtual machine freezes or hangs during boot. A VM that gets stuck on the loading screen may have insufficient RAM or CPU allocation or software conflicts. Increasing resources, booting into safe mode, and checking for disk errors can restore normal functionality. VM stuck in a boot loop. If a VM continuously restarts, it could be caused by automatic repair loops in Windows or a kernel panic in Linux. Disabling automatic restart, restoring a previous snapshot, or reinstalling the OS may be necessary to fix the issue. Common VirtualBox and VMware errors. VirtualBox users may see a failed to open a session error due to missing kernel modules or software conflicts. Restarting VirtualBox services or reinstalling the application can help. VMware users experiencing an internal error should restart VMware services, disable Hyper-V, and ensure all virtualization settings are configured correctly. Final thoughts: troubleshooting VM boot errors and crashes. Boot errors and crashes can disrupt workflows, but they are often fixable through careful troubleshooting. Checking boot settings, repairing disks, allocating proper resources, and updating software can resolve most startup problems. By following these steps, users can maintain a stable and reliable virtualized environment.